Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share an Instagram highlight from someone's profile but weren't sure how to copy the link, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to copy a highlight link on Instagram using your PC, thanks to the latest update that makes this process easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to the search bar at the top and type in the username of the profile that has the highlight you want to share. After you've found their profile, take a look just under their bio. This is where all of their highlights are displayed in neat little circles. Scroll through these highlights until you find the one you want to share. Now, click on the highlight to open it. The story will start playing, and you'll notice that the address bar at the top of your browser has changed to reflect the specific link for that highlight story. This is the key step that the new update has made possible. With the highlight open and the link visible in the address bar, simply move your mouse up to the address bar and click once to highlight the entire URL. Next, right-click on the highlighted link, and from the menu that appears, select Copy. That's it. You've now copied the direct link to that Instagram highlight. You can now share this link with your friends, post it in a chat, or save it for later. Anyone who clicks on your link will be taken straight to that specific highlight on Instagram. So, to recap, open Instagram on your PC, go to the profile, find and open the highlight, select the link from the address bar, right-click, and choose Copy. It's that simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.